Hi guys, it's chandlerklebs here, and I'm recording a video here. I'm going to show you what I did. I made a resource pack. It's kind of a funny thing because first I made a default resource pack, which basically is an extraction of all the files from the jar file in the versions folder. But then I made some modifications to it. So I have Chandler Pack selected. And so I'm going to go back to the main menu, and you'll see here it says there is no free will as the splash image there, because you can modify text and stuff like that in making a resource pack. And it wasn't actually as hard as I thought it would be, but let me show you exactly what I did. I'm loading my single player world here, and this is a lot of fun. Now you may notice it's slow because when I record videos on this computer, it really slows Minecraft down big time. Okay, but anyway, what you'll see here is you'll see I have dug all of these caverns through all this stone. But see, going back in here, you'll see a chessboard floor. When I open up the debug screen, what you'll notice is this is cobblestone. See, these are all stone. These are naturally generated stone walls. But this is cobblestone here. That's the fun part. And if you look in my inventory, my cobblestones also look like chessboards. All this took was the changing of one single file. Once I had a resource pack and had the correct pack.mcmeta, then it was simple act of taking the cobblestone.png and modifying it with GIMP. Okay, so here's the part where it gets cool. I'm going to show you how it works here, because you'll see that as I mine stone, it turns into cobblestone, which is kind of a weird behavior. I've never understood why there's stone and cobblestone, but anyway, it's kind of helpful to have cobblestone look vastly different from stone so I can tell the difference. So what I'm doing is I'm building an 8x8 chessboard. So this counts as the first one. So there's 1, and we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, I think I did that right. I think I counted that there's 8 of them there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start placing these new cobblestones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I have to break some of this stone up here so I can get down there. And then some gravel fell here. I see how that is. It's weird how gravel falls down. Okay, so now placing the last cobblestone there, and it's kind of dark, so I'm going to place some torches on the walls around here so I can light up this place. It's generally a good idea to light places up. So yeah, I've lit that place up, gonna light up this place. As you'll see, I already started on building this chessboard, and since each cobblestone is a 2x2 chessboard, basically it's a 2x2 grid, you can see that 8 tiles in Minecraft is going to equal 16 squares total. So that's what's cool. So now if I did everything right, when I dig through this, my pickaxe is gone. Okay, this is ironic. See, I didn't plan this out very well. Okay, first what I need to do, because I was going to do this anyway, first I'm going to make a crafting table. So let's see, I'll put a crafting table somewhere. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute here. I just remembered. Okay. Well, for right now, I'll put a crafting table out here. That's kind of a strange thing, but I don't have a place for it in the house yet. So then I'm going to get my birchwood planks and make some sticks. Alright, and here's where it gets funny, is because I'm going to use some of my chessboard cobblestone to make a regular stone pickaxe. It'd be cool if I had a chessboard stone pickaxe, but I don't know how to do that yet. I'm not sure how that would even work or if it would make sense to have a chessboard pickaxe. But yeah, it's kind of cool. So now that I have a new pickaxe, I'm going to go back to where I was at, and I'm going to finish digging through this wall here. Yeah, looks like I did it right. See, the other chessboard is over here, and that's really neat. So, as you can see, this is some pretty cool stuff. Because basically, whenever I have this resource pack selected, it will of course show up as chessboards. But it can be reverted back to the normal look of the game at any time. So for example, if I save and quit to title, then if I go to resource packs and deselect Chandler pack, then it will, okay, yeah, there was a glitch there while I was unloading that resource pack. So now that I've unloaded my special resource pack that I made, I'm going to go back to this particular place, and as you shall see now, this is where it's funny, because see, here's where I put the crafting table there, and now I'm going to go back in here. You'll see I just dug through this and it looked like chessboards, but as you see, not only is the floor back to looking like regular cobblestone, but it also looks like regular cobblestone again in my inventory. And as you'll see, my character here, my player, looks like Fluttershy, and that's because I managed to find a skin file that somebody made that looks sort of like human Fluttershy from My Little Pony Equestria Girls. So that's what's fun about it, is as you can see, Minecraft it's not just about allowing creativity in the sense that you get to build stuff with blocks. But if you know how to edit some image files correctly, you can even modify the look of every block in the game. And it's not the first time I've done something like this. There was a time when I modified a free Minecraft clone. It's called Minetest. Google Minetest and you'll find that as well. It's free. It sure doesn't have all the features of Minecraft. Minecraft is still way cooler because it has monsters and stuff by default that the other didn't have that I know of. Plus, my friend Jamie already has a realm on Minecraft, so sometimes I get on his server and mess around. But right now I've been practicing on single player because that's a way to get more familiar with the game. Plus I don't have to worry about messing up building their stuff, which can happen if I'm there and a creeper comes after me and blows the place up. So yeah, right now I'm actually playing on easy because I need it easy right now. I get killed whenever I'm on hard, which Jamie's server is always set to hard for some odd reason. So now I don't really want this in my way. So now that I've sort of started a house here, I'm going to break down that particular wall and that particular wall there. And then I'm going to put my crafting table into this little corner here. And I'm even going to use some of the cobblestone to make a furnace, because I'm going to need a furnace to burn lots of wood, make lots of charcoal, lots of torches, as I've already been doing in this world. So yeah, as you can see, I already have a nice start to a house, and it's almost time for this video to end because I'm using Bandicam, the unregistered version, and so it's at about 10 minutes it's going to just stop recording. I have to buy the full version if I want to record longer than 10 minutes, which I may do someday, but I don't really know because this computer isn't all that great at recording stuff anyway. But as you can see, I have an extremely long tunnel here. Oh, okay, now this is funny how it's glitching out. It's glitching out like the world hasn't even loaded yet. This is hilarious. Whoa, what happened here? I think the game is lagging so badly because I'm recording this video